Hi viewers, my name is Ishan. Welcome to Z Dental channel. Viewers, today in this video lecture we will learn about the block-out wax. It is a type of processing wax. This wax was developed for blocking out undercuts, creating clasps, steps and relieving critical areas of the model. Uses of block-out wax. Block-out wax used for filling the undercut areas on the cast during processing of the cobalt chromium framework. Viewers, below the picture you can see the types of block-out wax. This wax is available in market different colors. Viewers, in this picture you can see the use of the block-out wax. Block the undercuts on model before cast partial denture. And this wax is used for clasp attaching on the model.